I guess summer's over. Migrating birds are starting to pass through along the New York-Vermont border. I first spotted a group of juvenile wood ducks preening on a log, just beginning to show their full colors. Then I came across some geese relaxing on the river during their stopover, drifting quietly in the current. A little farther along, I spotted a great blue heron balancing on a snag, not too far from the bank, still and watchful. It didn't seem to mind my presence. Later, while Boone was swimming, I noticed a greater Yellowlegs and a spotted sandpiper hunting in the shallows. They didn't seem bothered by us at all, focused on probing the mud and chasing small prey. I filmed them with my phone. They were close enough for a good shot, and my DSLR was still in the truck up the bank.